on our way home, we noticed we've got calves loose in the neighbor's front yard. So I see a car open right there, so they might be aware of it already.
Alright, I'm still on the quest for a new YouTube nickname. Cornbread. Wrecking Ball. Papa San.
No.
Alright, well, I made a mistake. I wasn't paying attention to the weather. I didn't notice there was rain in the forecast, so now I am headed back out to open the stall to let the cows in. It's going to be a low of 41, which isn't really that bad. Let's see, where am I? But the fact that the rain has arrived, I feel like I probably just better open it up and let them in. So, here we are, 9:30 at night. Oh, that's a hot line. Let's not walk into that. Put my boots on, put my rain jacket on, and my headlamp. My headlamp is just a, I don't know, it's a pretty cheap one. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. It's Black Diamond brand, but it's like their low end, but it does the job. So, yep. Sometimes when you make mistakes, you gotta pay for them. I'm sure the cows will be appreciative to get out of this rain and wind. It's not coming down right that hard right now, but my wife said it was due to storm. Oh, there's a horse. Overshot the my path in the dark. There's a cow waiting to get in the stall. Right there. There's a couple horses. There's one. There's the other one back there. They don't seem to mind the rain. In fact, I've seen them roll around in the mud lots of times. Alright, we'll get your stall open, girl. Nice and dry in here. So, take this down. Ah, nice warm house over there. Looks quite inviting. So, follow the hose. That way you don't run into any fences by mistake, like I nearly did earlier.
We'll just pull up here and Chris will go check on, make sure that they're aware and that they got a plan of action, see if we can help in any way. Their front door is wide open, so I'm thinking they might be, they might know. We'll let Chris check.
Are you ready? Meatball. Tank. Gas giant.
No. Well, she doesn't seem concerned about it. And there they go, taking off down past the barn.
Alright, we found I need a hand rounding them up.
What'd she say?
She is. They just got home and saw that they had gotten out, so they're bringing in their stuff. Her husband's changing clothes to deal with the cows.
Yeah.
Do you want video of you falling off, or do you want me to work her first?
If those are the only choices, then work her.
Okay.
Kimosabi, Sasquatch, corn-fed.
Hi everybody, I'm Lorella, not a farm girl, and got home a little later than planned today, so you can see the sun's going down. The animals behind me are ready for their dinner, and there's enough light outside to work, but it's going to be dark in the barn, so I'm going to be doing chores today by headlamp. There wasn't really a good spot to set the camera up where you could see anything, so I'm going to kind of do a vlog style. This is our horse blend that Mother of Many Horses helped us put together for our girls, so they'll be nice and healthy. It is 1 bag whole oats, 1 bag senior equine feed, and 1 bag of beet pulp pellet, and we mix it all together, and then we put DE in with it also as a natural dewormer for the horses. So let's get their grains ready, and then of course they have access to hay, pretty much free access to hay all day. So half for Missy, and then half out here for Lady, right here. Okay, now I'll go back and use the same container for the calf feed. All right. It's getting chilly. We'd had some really nice warm days. I think on Sunday we were 60 something. That was yesterday. Saturday maybe, one of those days. Today, high of 33. So that's quite a drop in temperature. Okay, let me get this latched up. And there we go. And the other latch, because Lady figured out how to take the hook out. So we have to have that latch. Okay. Hi, Lady. You guys ready for dinner? Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama. There you go. There you go, Mama. There you go, Missy. All right, and they each go to their spot. And the reason we don't feed them together in that long trough is because Lady is a hog, and she will not let Missy get any food. So we have to feed them separately. Hey, girls. Hi, calves. You guys are looking good. You ready for dinner? Here you go. You guys probably already had your dinner, didn't you? I'm sure Grandma fed you guys already. There you go, ladies. All right, I gotta go take care of some chickens now. Good night, everybody. While I was working on feeding those animals, I had the hose running over here. Let's go take a look and see how the water's doing. It was quite low on the tank that's on the uphill side that the cows and the horses share during the day. It was below the level of the heater. Ah, looks like it's about full now. Let's take a look. There it is. Can you guys see that? I can't really tell what you can see. Because it's just hard to see out here right now. It's getting pretty dark. So that water's full. And I need to walk out the hose. So let me show you what we do. Because the temperatures are dropping into freezing at night, we have to make sure that the hose is facing, I don't know what the correct word is, stretched out on a downhill grade. So I just walk it out, and it works out pretty well that our house is uphill from the pasture. But like, let me show you right here, this little kink in the hose right here. Can you see that? I don't know, right there. If I left that, then overnight water would freeze in there, and when we came out to use the hose tomorrow, which has happened more than once, that part of the hose would be frozen and the water won't come through. Hey Chewy! Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Hey Chewy, hi! Look at how nice and cozy my house looks. I'm gonna try and take a picture of that. Alright, that's actually kind of beautiful. Cozy with the lights all shining. Okay, let's go take a look. The birds are all quiet, so I will probably fill up their feeder so it will be ready for tomorrow. Try and get everybody shut up if the ducks and the geese will go in. Sometimes if it's still a little bit light out, they don't want to go in their house till it's dark. But I'm going to try and collect the eggs. So that's what's on the agenda next. Time for bed, Lucy Goosey. Time for bed, Mr. Quackers. Get the stick, the stepping post, so I can send them on to their bed. Alright. Alright, go to bed, Lucy Goosey. Go to bed. 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 Come on, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. I know it's not dark yet, but I want you to go now. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. Good night, Lucy Goosey. Good night, chickens. Feed will be ready for them in the morning. Good night, chickens. Good night. Alright, let's see if I can't get those ducks to bed. Alright, Mr. Quackers, go to bed. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good duck. Alright, good job. Whew, my fingertips are getting frosty out here. Alright, good night, Mr. and Mrs. Quackers. Okay, let's collect some eggs. Well, looks like you laid a good number of eggs today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, almost a dozen. That's better. We've only been getting 6 or 8 a day, so good job, ladies. Alright, now, let's get this stuff inside before my fingertips freeze off. They're really hurting.
Heavy duty. Hoss. Fat Jack Black. Looks like Chewy's off on another adventure. Let's go find him.